Hello everyone. If your posts or reels are getting very few views, low engagement, and they're not reaching potential buyers, this software is the solution for you. It helps your posts get more views, more interactions, and if you're a seller, it allows you to reach more people and sell more products effectively. This is the software interface. Right now, I'm managing 1,000 accounts, and each account is using a separate proxy. To increase engagement, click on the seeding function. In the seeding configuration section, you'll see many options such as seeding posts, reels, live streams, comments, and more. In this example, I'll choose reel seeding. Next, paste the UID here. There is no limit to the number of UIDs you can add. I've already prepared a UID list in advance inside the software. After you post or comment, the history section will display information like this. All you need to do is copy the UID and paste it into this field. Then select options like Share to Timeline, avoid duplicate seeding, and add reactions. After choosing your settings, select the accounts and click Start. The software runs silently in the background, so you can continue doing other tasks without any interruption. Now, I'll open these links directly so you can see the engagement results in real time. Thank you very much for listening.